My name is Justin Chalker. I'm a senior lecturer at Flinders University, and I lead a research lab that's interested in converting waste into materials that benefit the environment. Our new polymer is made entirely from waste cooking oil and sulfur. We heat up this sulfur and they react together and they form an entirely new type of rubber. For oil spills, the material can be cast directly onto the oil. It absorbs the oil, aggregates together, and it can be removed from the water just by skimming or scooping it directly. And by squeezing that or compressing it, you can recover the oil and you can reuse the polymer. In the next stage, we want to develop a reactor that allows us to make hundreds of kilos of this material, the amount that would be required for commercial production, so it can actually be used and deployed worldwide. So it's critical to have economical materials to help clean up this pollution. And if we can do this in a way that's cost effective, then we can help the people that are affected most by this pollution. And those are people who have limited economic resources in developing nations.